After childbirth, I hemorrhaged. They needed to do a procedure to stop the hemorrhaging. When I woke up from the procedure the next day, I couldn't feel my entire right leg. I wake up from surgery and I notice that I don't have any sensation in my leg. You always have that fear about what's happening. I can't move my foot. Is my foot gonna be okay? The hospital told me it was foot drop. We didn't know why. We realized that this is going to take a while to heal. So in some parts of the leg, there was no sensation, and in other parts of the leg, it was too much sensation in the sense of too much pain. A lot of people have experienced like a pinched nerve, so it's that times 1,000. I would carry my baby for like half an hour, and I would have to give her to my husband or my family. I just couldn't deal. It was too much pain. I basically just did physical therapy, tons of physical therapy. I did therapy for a year. Once that doctor realized that he didn't know how to help me, then I started Googling stuff, basically. Googling doctors, Googling my condition really, and then seeing if there were any doctors who were treated, who knew how to operate, or who knew what to do basically. I just needed a second opinion. We found Dr. Elkwood through a Google search. He treated a firefighter, I believe it was, who had foot drop. Then you kind of feel a little bit of relief when you see your injury next to a doctor's name and he helped somebody. And it was like, whoa. That was a huge relief when I just saw his name there on Google next to my injury. I was like, this is the guy I gotta see. Like, Dr. Rose, just from the initial consultation that I had with him, he immediately was like, we need to do surgery. And to me, that's a solution. We're like, okay, we're getting somewhere. I went from, I don't know how to help you, to somebody who's telling me we have to do surgery. Before the surgery, I could not move my foot. I couldn't push it down or pull it up, and I couldn't move it to the left, or to the right. And meeting and being treated by Dr. Elkwood, our first initial consultation, same thing. He gave me hope in the sense of, we are going to try to help you as much as we can. I'm a bloodless patient. I don't accept blood transfusions, or I choose not to accept blood transfusions and any particles of blood. He's like, I know exactly, what kind of patient you are and what kind of treatment you need, and he knew exactly like what I would take. He just knew them off the back of his head. So that's also very like, okay, he knows everything. Like, he knows how to deal with me as a patient. He explains everything to you. He had a book and he showed me like the nerves and stuff, and so it's just really nice to be able to have a doctor who knows your injury and who is trying to help you fix it. So I couldn't move my foot down, push my foot down, or pull it up. So I can pull it up now and I can push it down like almost all the way. The most improvement that I've seen is the pushing up and the pulling up. So Dr. Elkwood said the surgery would do 3 things, or would hopefully do 3 things. Take away the pain, help regain sensation, and then help regain movement. And I feel like we've done all those 3 things. As we can see, my foot can move now. I have more sensation along the bottom of my leg. We're still working on the bottom half of the foot and the leg. And the pain is gone. I am excited that I found him. I'm thankful that I found him. He's already done so much for me and my family, and so I highly recommend Dr. Elkwood and Dr. Rose as well. They're both awesome at what they do. My strength is better, and so I feel comfortable leaving my house alone with my baby, going for walks, taking her to the park. It's improved my life as a mother, and so for that I'll always be thankful. We had a running joke where it's like, who's gonna walk first, the baby or mommy? Like, it was a running joke in the house, because you have a newborn, and I'm going through this with my newborn, and so it was funny. Mommy did walk first. I just need to say that out. I just need to point that out. Mommy won.